Hello friends, health come first. First thing we are going to change is we are going to change the oil. Yes, that is the refined oil to the natural oil, which is prepared. This is the natural oil. Okay, the natural oil which is made by our traditional oil press method. You can get groundnut oil, you can get sesame, you can get rye, you can get coconut, which are all grinded by a wooden machine and comes directly at your home. No chemical, no heating process, no preservation, or no mixing any other things. Completely pure oil at your home for your cooking food now with the healthy oil or a natural ghee. Avoid refined oils to make your heart and bones healthy.